We firmly believe that the best way to teach a student how to learn a concept or how to solve a question is to show them how it's done. Now, as you would already be aware of, text solutions are a thing of the past. It's very difficult to follow a text solution when it comes to you being a candidate and being preparing for a test. Now, what happens in this particular case is it's very difficult for a mentor as well to show the entire extent of the solution in the form of text. In terms of video, however, it's very easy for us to share shortcuts with you that you would be able to apply to other similar questions. It's also very easy for us to show you how to go from one step to the next without loss of context. To that regard, we at IMS have enabled all our programs with video content. Throughout your preparatory journey, you will have access to video content in one form or the other. To start with, in terms of the learning phase, wherein you will be learning the concepts and trying to gather as much knowledge as is possible, we have video content in the form of concept videos, wherein you can have a look at a concept and you can see what exactly does it look like in the form of, say, a video or in the form of stepwise approach towards that particular concept. We also have solutions to module 0, which will be a part of your courseware and your portal as well. We also have some application videos which will help you solve questions that are of CAT level once you are done with a particular concept. This should help you understand concepts in a very seamless manner. Now, when you go to the next part of your preparatory journey, which is the practice phase, what will happen is you will have additional concepts that will be shared with you in a video format. You will have access to courseware practice exercises, also masterclasses and e-Maximiser workshops. Now, these videos will help you apply the concepts that you would have learnt in the previous phase. You would know what it means to solve a question that is an amalgamation of 2 or 3 different concepts, and while using the optimum methods to do the same. Now, once you're done with this part of the journey, you will also have to get really good at test taking. In that aspect, we will have video solutions for all our SIMCATs, wherein there will be questions that will be produced in front of you in the format of the actual CAT. Now, these mock tests will also have analysis videos wherein we will tell you what exactly went through the mind of the aspirants in terms of this particular test and how could you have maximized your score in that particular SIMCAT. Now, once you go through these video solutions, you will be able to understand how exactly to solve the questions in a timed manner and in the various ways that our mentors will be advising you. In addition to these, we also have solutions to actual past tests, be it the CAT, the IFT, the XAT, and so on. Now, you can also go through these video solutions to understand what were the different methods that you would have come up with during the actual test. Now, this video first approach will help you throughout your preparatory journey, will help you understand things in a quicker and more efficient manner, and if followed properly, will also help you apply these particular techniques on your own. We hope you use this feature to its fullest extent and end up doing really well at your test. All the best.